Welcome to the night bus, emergency transport for the stranded witch or wizard. My name is Stan Shunpike and I will be your conductor for this evening. What you doing down there?
I fell over.
What you fell over for?
I didn't do it on purpose.
Well, come on then. Let's not wait for the grass to grow. What you looking at?
Nothing.
Well, come on then, in. No, I'll get this, you get in. Come on, move on. Take her away, Ern.
Yeah, take it away, Ernie. It's going to be a bumpy ride.